Hi guys, you may be wondering how you can disable YouTube Shorts permanently from your YouTube app. You can also disable like this Shorts tab. You can't even see Shorts tab. So as you can see, I'm going to reload. I don't even see here YouTube Shorts anymore. I just wanted to show you how to, how to disable YouTube Shorts, but I don't even have an YouTube Shorts anymore. So it's been a long time. I haven't seen any YouTube Shorts since I have done the method that I'm about to show you right now. I haven't seen YouTube Shorts for a while. Now, like I said, you can also disable this YouTube Shorts tab. Now, what you want to do, guys, to disable YouTube Shorts first is to click library at the very bottom right. You want to click library at the very bottom right, like I said. Now, after that, guys, you want to click on view all, okay? You want to click on view all. And after that, guys, you want to click three little dots in the top right. And then you want to click on pause watch history. Just click on pause watch history and click pause. Now guys, YouTube Shorts will not be disabled right now, but like if you go and if you go and look for YouTube Shorts, you will still find them. But if you don't want to find YouTube Shorts right now, just click again on library at the very bottom right, and then you want to click three little dots in the top right again and click on clear all watch history. If you don't want to clear all watch history, then I understand that you don't want to clear all watch history. Just click the video in the screen and you will be able to disable YouTube Shorts without clearing the watch history. So just click the video in the screen. I wanted guys to show you how to do that right now, but I don't even have YouTube Shorts anymore. So just click the video where I have YouTube Shorts. I can show you exactly how you can do that. Just click the video in the screen, drop a like. See you guys in the next video.